Expanding single brackets in algebraic expressions. In this video, you are going to learn how to expand single brackets in algebraic expressions. Let's see an example. In this expression, 3 is outside the bracket, and there are 2 terms on the inside of the bracket. To expand this kind of expression, you have to multiply the term outside the bracket with each terms inside the bracket separately. That is, you have to multiply 3 with 2a and 3b separately. 3 times 2a is 6a. 3 times 3b is 9b. By combining the terms, we get 6a plus 9b. The simplified expression of 3 times 2a plus 3b equals 6a plus 9b. Let's see another example involving negative terms. Here, 5a is the term on the outside of the bracket. The expression inside the bracket is 2b minus 3c. Let's multiply the term outside the bracket with each terms inside the bracket separately. 5a times 2b is 10ab. 5a times minus 3c is minus 15ac. By combining the terms, we get 10ab minus 15ac. The simplified expression of 5a times 2b minus 3c equals 10ab minus 15ac.